So you can now dance. Alright. Oh! Doon ka sa waistline, humawa ka. Kuya, kasi turo sa inyo yan. Okay, that's it. Oh, yan. Tumingin kayo sa crowd. Yan.
May go, turn around.
Turn around. Then you wear your big smile, Angel. Smile.
Ate, picture lang. Ako mag-video.
Turn around.
Okay.
Yan, very good.
Okay, so next, we have Lance Felipe. San Felipe. Okay, Lance is one of Angel's classmates.
Yan, please.
Okay. Alright.
Turn
Okay,
around.
smile.
Smile, smile.
Then may we call in Daryl Jake Sabale, one of Angel's schoolmates.
May picture na eh.
Smile.
Smile. Ano kaya ang feeling ng parents? Sinasayaw na ang kanyang anak. Ano pa ng birthday? Okay, next. Let's call in Charles, Mary. Thank you. Charles, where's Charles? Come on, Charles. Go, Charles. Come on. Where's Charles? Don't let the princess wait. Okay. Let's have Wendell. Is Wendell Morales here? Okay. Alright. Oh, it's nice. Thank you very much, Wendell. So may we call Charles again, please? Charles, Mary. Come on, Charles. Okay. This is now, Charles. Thank you, Charles. Yeah. Oh.
Smile muna dyan.
Okay, smile. Oh, palapakan naman natin sila. Yeah. Okay, thank you, Charles. May we call in RJ Guevara. Happy birthday.
Ate Jen, I think tawag ka. Ate Jen, tawag ka.
Okay, so thank you, RJ, and last but not the least. Ay, mukhang natapos na ang tugtog. Special ba ang music itong sa susunod? Okay, so may music ba? Ah, sige po. Itugtog na po ang music. Okay, so may we call in Morgan Meredith Go. Ayan. Angel, best super friend. Okay. Alright. Okay, Angel.
Hindi na kami naman yung flower.
Pinipisa mo na mahagad eh. Isang oras yan, Angel. Isang oras yan.
Tagalan natin. Ang Angel is fine. It's a dream come true. Magalas 12 ba to? Okay. Alright. What do you say to Angel? Morgan, can you say a word for Angel? Say a word for Angel. What do you say? Look at her. Look at her.
O, dito na lang.
Oh, look at him.